Hey guys, it's Code with Shark. Today we're going to be making this Catch the Fruit game. First, let's open a new project. Delete the cat. Choose Sprite. I'm gonna choose Apple. Set the size to 70. And one click. For error, get a new variable. SpeedX. Set SpeedX to SpeedX times 0.9, and we also want it to move, so change SpeedX by key right arrow pressed minus key left arrow pressed, which should work, which should only change the variable. As you can see, the variable is changing. And now let's add the motion, so change X by SpeedX. As you see now, it can work. And go to X is 0 and Y negative 180. And I'm just gonna make it look a little smaller. And now we're going to make a new block. Run. And do not tick run without screen refresh, because it will be more than one frame. So we're going to do add a repeat 10, set speed Y to 30, and set speed Y to speed Y minus 0.5. So speed Y, and I want to turn 15 degrees and change it. Change Y by speed Y, which should make it go up, as you can see. Makes it go up, and I'm going to put in a set speed Y to negative 1 and repeat 35, and change this into a plus operator, or you can change this negative to negative, and that should make it work. Let's just restart the project and press run. Alright. Negative 0.5 plus negative 0.5. Now let's test it. Like that. And now we need to make it able to see if we're touching a basket. So now let's get our basket. Alright, it's called a bowl. When clicked, we just want it to go to X0, Y negative 140. 5, as you can see. And now we want it to go to a position, and we want to forever wait 1.8 seconds. And set x2, and we want to make it possible. So we need a few operators. So we need a minus, pick random, times, and we also need a distance to mouse pointer. So first we're going to distance to apple, times pick random, negative 0.5 times 0.5, and the high would be 0.5, and we're going to minus its y position from it, and that's it. Wait, yeah, that's it. But if we wanted to make it even more possible, you can just do so. Instead of its y position, you can just minus y position of apple minus y position. Should make it more possible. Yeah, makes it more possible. And now you can finally put down an if touching bowl. So where is my touching bowl? So it says string touching bowl. We need a sound. Choose sound. Let's do, pretty sure it's coin. Start sound coin. Hide. And wait 1 second. Stop the script. Set speed x to 0. Which should make it work. And now we need to put in a one click forever run. And we also need a sound at this bottom. So just choose a sound. Dun dun dun. Play sound dun 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 until done. Have to put it at the very end because it'll cut off the script at the end if it doesn't touch the bowl. So it'll just cut off this part. So then we need to stop other scripts in the sprite. And stop all. And we also want it to show at the very beginning. And show, put it down there. And as you can see, and now we want a sound. So choose a sound. Pretty sure mine was the loops. It was called so loops. Pretty sure. Pretty sure it was called. Alright, try it. And one clicks forever. Play this until done, and let's get a backdrop. Choose a backdrop. Search, and pretty sure it's called forest. Yeah, and now. And we also want a score. pick a variable, score, set score to 0 at first, and change score by 1 here. Yeah. And we can also make it wait longer. And that's basically it.